YouTube fam, we're gonna do some skillet sauteed potatoes. I got one sliced large onion, then I have 4 Idaho potatoes that I sliced up, and then I have some unsalted butter. Along with that, we got some minced garlic, some black pepper, some paprika, and we have some thyme, dry leaves, along with that some parsley and some salt. So let's go ahead and get this here recipe underway, and I'm telling you, this will be a nice side dish for any and everything that you do have. And we're gonna pair this up with a rotisserie chicken that we bought. All right, so we'll be right back. Let's get it started. All right, we got our skillet on medium-high heat. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put in 4 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna let this melt down. And if y'all never tried this before, man, I'm telling you, this is a good side dish, and it's something quick, easy, and simple. And like I said, I'm eating for 2, just me and my wife. I just want to fix enough for us. And hopefully we probably can snack off this tomorrow as well. So I peeled my potatoes already. That's why they're brown, because I had it peeled and ready to roll. Some people peel their potatoes and just put them in water. So got my potatoes going inside the skillet, along with the onions. Now I'm gonna go ahead and season this up with some salt. And some black pepper. Then I want to hit it with some paprika. With some thyme leaves. And some parsley, and I'm going to leave the measurements below for you guys. And with 1 tablespoon of garlic. Just want to mix this a little bit. So now what I want to do, just take a lid, cover it up for a little bit, and I want these to simmer down for at least 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to take the lid off. Alright, from time to time, in between 10 minutes, I want you to go in here with a spatula, go up under these potatoes, and just try to turn them around. Okay? And if you have to turn down your heat a little bit, go ahead and turn it down. And if you want to, you can add you another tablespoon of butter. So I'm going to add another tablespoon of butter. And then I'm going to toss the lid right back on it. Alright, so right now your 10 minutes are up. What I want you to do now is just go ahead and move your potatoes around. They're nice and brown. Try your best to just go up under the potatoes with the spatula. Now I just want you to cook them uncovered for another additional 10 minutes until your potatoes are tender. Once your potatoes are tender, they're ready to serve. Alright, you see I got like one of these little shot cups. This is a little shot cup. So I got some water in here. Just want to pour that in there. Just a little shot cup. I would say that's about 2 tablespoons of water. Alright, so we're done with this here skillet sauteed potatoes. Now if you want to, you could do this. You could just deck it up a little bit with just a little parsley. Just a little. And then you can turn around, since I like this, man, some tones, garlic, rosemary. If you can see it. That seasoning, I like that seasoning. And I just like taking just a little bit of this and just sprinkling that on it just to make it look appealing. And definitely you be biting some of that flavor. And this is ready to serve up. So if you give this dish a try, I know you'll love it because this is definitely good to the bone. Southern eating at its best right here, y'all. Thank you for checking out Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. But before you leave, let's go ahead and get a close-up of this. Thank you so much for watching this here video. Please subscribe for more videos by clicking on my picture. Alright, also watch these suggested videos as well. Give this video a thumbs up and please leave a comment below. Do me a favor, love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.